Here we go. Where's the telephone? Nice. Good boy. What is this?
Bus.
Good. Where's the bus at? No. Where's the bus? Good job. What is that? A crab? What is that? Oh. Put the crab out there. Where's the crab? Nice. What's that?
Yeah.
Clown?
Yeah.
Where's the clown at? Match it up. Wow. Good job, Smart. And what is this?
Daddy.
A bunny?
Yeah.
Where's the bunny? Oh, where's the bunny at? Good job. Good smarts. What is this? Dinosaur? Where's the dinosaur at? Match it up. Where's the dinosaur? Nice. Good looking at the picture. Where's the dinosaur? Good job, Isaac. Good smarts.
Go.
Pine cone. Match it up. Nice. Good job. Oh. What does this say? Hey. Where's the horse? Put the horse out there. Oh, you are smart. Oh, what's this?
Duck.
What's that?
Duck.
What's the duck say?
Duck. Duck.
Good. Okay, match it up. Wow, smart. Oh, you said this before. What's this? Yo-yo. Where? Match it up. Where's the other yo-yo at? Good job. Put it out there. Good smarts. Oh, what does this say? What does that say? What does that say? Bzzz. Okay, match it up. Do it. Good boy.
Yeah.
Butterfly?
Yeah.
Okay, where's the match at? Match it up. Where's the butterfly at? Wow, way over there? Good eye. Oh, and your helicopter. Okay, where's the... No, you can't have it. Where's the helicopter at? Look at the pictures. Look at your card. Where's the helicopter at? Where? Nice. Good one. Good smarts. And the last one. Shell. Where's the shell? Put the shell out there. Can you match it up? Good job. Yay! Yay, you matched them all up. Okay, pick them up. What?